Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Meet the Members series. Today we have with us Doctomatic. So please, could you introduce yourself and tell us what your company does?
Hello, I'm Frederic LLordachs, MD, and well, what we try to do is getting data directly from patients in the most easy way available for doctors and medical centers. Why we do that? Because we believe that there is a lack of information in chronic diseases, especially globally. And the other thing is that we do it without any proprietary medical device involved. So we are agnostic on that. So we are able to get data from any medical device in the market.
Sounds great. And well, what makes your company stand out from the others?
Well, the point that we are agnostic. So we are let's say more ecological than the others. So we are able to reuse or give a second life to medical devices that your patients have at home. So we don't need to change the medical device they have, the old tensiometer of 20 years old, or this glucometer your grandpa is used to work with. So we can get the data from that. So we don't need an adoption. It's very fast, and only with 4 clicks, we can get from the patient app the data that is available from the medical team. So then we can transform, give superpowers to these old medical devices and transform this medical device, the 21st century medical device, in a 21st century medical device.
Well, that sounds really great. And well, what has been your company's biggest success or biggest failure?
Well, it's funny. So the biggest success is that we have a lot of public healthcare, Spanish public healthcare hospitals interested in our solution that was first of all addressed to private doctors, no? So the small practices in order to make easy for doctors to control their patients. But we have realized that we can have that we are a tool that can help to reduce cost and have under control a lot of chronic diseases in this public healthcare environment. Because of the COVID pandemic, there is a lack of control of a lot of diseases and a lot of patients, and well, it has been an opportunity for us. And if you want, the failure for us, well, is probably that the world is not ready for since now for something so advanced. So everybody is looking for okay, but where is the medical device you are linked to? No, we don't have a medical device linked. So we can. I don't believe it. So it's let's say we are trying. It's always a proof of life for us, making demos and showing how our technology works. That is, at the end of the day, is with artificial intelligence, getting the data from the LCD screens.
Well, sounds great. And hopefully this little failure will become a big success in the future.
Absolutely.
And let me ask you, what made you join Barcelona Hub?
Well, it's I think that since a lot of years ago, so I was one of the founders of Doctoralia in the old times of 27. So when digital health didn't existed as a word, no, it was a concept, and one of my obsessions was trying to create an environment, no? So I mean, to be with others, to be with others that also want to change the world with the digital tools, with new tools, and trying them to promote this change together. Maybe some of us will fail, but this natural cluster idea, it has been very deep on me since the early years, and 2-3 years ago, when all this started, Barcelona Hub started, I was one of the first in the line to support that idea that we must be together in order to try to change things together.
Okay, sounds really good. And what do you expect from Barcelona Health Hub towards the future?
Well, the future for Barcelona Health Hub, in my opinion, is going further away. So being first of all, being able to be a prophet in our land, being able to change things in regional or in national Spanish healthcare, and then using or being able to help the startups and all the even corporates that want to change things in digital health to move out of Spain. So being a platform. The other thing for me, it would be being a platform for going away. So going abroad and with a recognizable brand, having let's say this quality label that would help us to succeed in other markets. That at the end of the day is what the startups want to do. So sell as much as others everywhere. No, so having a recognizable brand internationally should help us. And Barcelona Health Hub is a great opportunity for all of us.
Sounds really good. And well, is there anything else you would like to tell us? No,
just that if you want to contact with us, you're interested in having your patients under control with a cost-effective tool, very cheap for all of you, just contact us to info@doctomatic.com or in our website, doctomatic.com, and it would be our pleasure trying to help being your hospital, medical center, or an insurance company, or even, I don't know, just a solo practice willing to help your patients.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure. Bye.